Welcome to Vintage Car. It's been a while I haven't posted a video, so I hope you guys are doing alright. Before we even started, make sure that you hit the button subscribe to get your weekly video. So today what we have a Mini Cooper. It's a British corporation. Very nice little car, light blue. Mini Cooper, for those who doesn't know, is a British car made by Land Rover Group. So this car is a 1959, debuted up to 1966. This car, the engine is made by BMW, but it's a great little tiny car. Very classy, very mini, small economic car produced by the English-based British Motor Corporation. What else could I tell you about this nice little car? It has two doors. And how many horsepower? Like, I'm trying to figure out because I'm confused with a lot of different car. It's a basic engine, 4-cylinder, 4-speed automatic and manual. Right now we're getting into, wow, let me see the brand of it, MGB, 24,000 euro. I don't know if you heard about MGB. It's a British corporation as well. They built this car in 1965 up to 1980. Cool. This car, the first time that they published this car was on September 19, 1962. And they only produce not too many of them actually. I believe they only produce 150 example in the world, so it's not that much either. It's a 4-cylinder roadster, pretty nice car. Okay, the interior, I like the leather, I like the power steering wheels, but this one is manual, not automatic. The leather is really cool, nice, shiny. They kept pretty cool. I like the body frame on this car. The structure, the car was innovative, modern design in 1962. Like as you could see, read on the board, it shows you more description on this particular vehicle. I like the green too. So now we are back into, what is this? Fiat 500. This is very similar to a Mini Cooper Fiat. For those who doesn't know, Fiat, at first I thought it was a French brand, but no, it's an Italian brand. 1957 up to 1975, they built over 3 million units worldwide. Wow, that's a lot for this little cute car. The Italian car made a pretty nice little concept, very similar to the Mini Austin, which is British. First when I saw it, I thought it could be a Mini Cooper, but no, it's Fiat. Fiat is Italian. That's a 2-door. The weight on this car is 500 kilo. Wow. The height is 1 meter and 32. The weight is also 1 meter 32, and the length is 2.97 meter. That's crazy. Those little cars so tiny. It's so 5 people could definitely lift this car easily without problem, because it's so light. It's not that heavy. All right, we're getting into the orange one. Wow, I like the orange. Pretty cute. It's a flashy color. This engine it's a nice car. Wow, 1971. For that price, it's still expensive. What else we could see? They have different color. They have a dark gray. Wow, I'm enjoying recording this beautiful car. Yep, now we're getting into a Renault 5. This is a French car right now. This is, I could say, it is one of the classic French car, built in 1972 to 1996. The way how this car has a better engine than the regular Renault 5, because this one is a turbo. It's not the ordinary one. So this car is a 4-passenger, 3 to 5 doors, and the R5 was marketed in the US in 1976 and became the best-selling in France from 1972 and to 1986. I remember when I grew up, I see this car every corner of the street because I'm from Paris. So when I was walking around, I see this car. Even into today, I still see it. When I see this car, I'm like, wow, this is my childhood. Because when I grew up, I remember I had my driver license and I wanted to have this car so bad. And you know, at the time, this car was very expensive. But today, in France, it's normal. You know, you see this car everywhere. Wow, look at the fender on the side. Wow. So this car has a 3-speed transmission, and at the time it wasn't automatic, so everything was manual. So this car is a manual transmission. Wow. The weight on this car is 810 kilo. They made also Renault 4, Renault 7, but this one is the most popular one. I hope you liked the video. Give 2 thumbs up, leave a comment below, and see you soon. Take care.